How to download Minecraft on PC or laptop. First, open any browser like Chrome and search for Minecraft. Then click on the official Minecraft website from the search results. Once the site loads, look at the top menu, click on Games, and from the drop-down, select Try Minecraft Free. Now, scroll down a little, and you'll see different versions like Java Edition and Bedrock Edition. Choose the version that matches your system. As soon as you click it, the installer file will start downloading automatically. After the download is complete, double-click to open the file. Accept the Microsoft license terms, and then click on Install to begin the setup process. Once the installation finishes, click on Let's Go button, and this will open the Minecraft launcher. The first time you open it, it might download some additional required files in the background. Just wait for it to finish. After that, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you already have one, just log in. Otherwise, you can quickly create a new account from there. Once you're inside the launcher, click on Play Demo, and the game files will start downloading. After the download completes, the game will launch automatically, and you can start playing. Just keep in mind, this is only the demo version, so it has limited features and playtime. To unlock the full game, you'll need to purchase it later.